Okay, so we are flying. Okay, family, I go by the name Gunshot. Obetimi Afremi Ajinyam what you say. And ne me jina ha na me recommending nice channel be at the amount. Na channel I recommended the amount we Diane Avoto Trends. What I say. Na make I will say o subscriber menye I read ti. Me so Dr. Likey and I read. What I say. Share my own bi. Na click notification bell so that time you the video better me be you'll be the first person to watch. We love you so much. Bye. All right, so this is a tech arena. Today's a tech exhibition. So this is what the students have been able to, produce for the tech festival in Ashanti. Sorry, this looks so fantastic, though. See the name of the school. Madam Pilot here. And we didn't ever got
Why is the motivation behind it?
When you go outside, everything is about the voice. Everything is about the voice. When you go, the voice have done this and had something that, the voice can do it, the voice can't. So we started with small drones, built it, we built, went on again. Sometimes we cry because
seriously.
You guys should get somewhere. How do you feel?
So basically, so these are my pilot. Yeah, those behind this beautiful plane you are seeing over there. Oh, my girls are so. Okay, so we are flying. There we go. Whoa, we are flying. We're flying. We're flying. It's so beautiful. Come on. And when we fail, we go. And when the Lord is promised, Asami sawa mama, wa mama koli for goodness and mercy. To never lose, photo. And when the Lord is promised, kill away. Asami sawa mama, tiato, wa mama koli. Move up, sick, I don't know what 2014, what my became. One day, Kakuko chase. Grandma shit on the low, 9 to 5, my super. I know where we go. And when we fail, we go. And when our love is problem. We go in. And when the Lord is proud, I came my way. What's up is our mama, Tiago. Yeah, the lady name, yeah, the fear. I know how we go. And when we fail, we go. And when the Lord is proud, it's our mama. Why mama calling for goodness and mercy? To never lose, photo.
Indeed, social media has engaged our public, but wait, are they participating in public governance? Since we're devoting productive time to leaders and workers to become engaged in participating in public governance. Maybe imagine whose account we have and use for government. This takes me back to my own father's experience.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Ejewadi Eliza Fobi, head girl of Kumasi Girls Senior High School. Today we came to contest and participate in the Ashanti Festival. It was very happy and enjoying. We met a lot of schools here and we all shared cultures. We learned new technologies, how you can preserve and conserve water in various gardens, how you can also use the solar to generate electricity and a whole lot. We also here, we brought our also technical skill. We also came to demonstrate and show to the world. They also have produced a 4-player bazaar, which is used for the NSMQ, or when you're having a quiz, you use it. It acts like a bell. Yeah, so it's like something like a timer, and it's very very nice. And we were very happy when the regional minister introduced it amongst all the products outside our school, our project to the podium. So we're very very happy. Okay, and I also joined the cultural dance to my with my people here. Yeah, and my LG. So we are all LG people. Yeah. We came to make the program beautiful. We came to beautify it. And we are very, very happy that they gave us an opportunity and a chance to. Ahima.
Semper Fidelis.
Ahima.
Always faithful.
Ahima.
No creme
You think this kind of program should be encouraged?
Yes.
Why will you say so?
Okay, I think it should be encouraged because there are various talents hidden in humans, and in this our modern Ghana, most of our talents are hidden in us. Some of us feel shy to bring it out, others also bring it out, and then the authorities or the citizens will make the person shed it away because they don't use it to produce anything meaningful or useful for the person to be appreciated. And when something like that happens, imagine you were the one and you brought a drawing of Nanado and you give to him. He'll be like, no, I don't need it from you. You see, your talent is going, your soul is like everything will be going down.
I get it.
You won't even like to even draw anyone, any authority, bigger authority anymore. So I think that's the reason I have to encourage this one.
I'm also happy to see designs you guys have made, the cultural dance. I've seen aeroplanes over the helicopters and what have you. Coming to this, you think we should focus more on creating things rather than theory? Do you share that same idea?
Yeah. I think I barbed that one too. But we focusing on only practical or physical structures might not really help us, although it can promote the illusion. But also knowing some theory about, because it's the theory that is going to teach you how to construct everything. Imagine you don't know the theory, you have the gadgets, appliances, everything. How are you going to do it? So I think it's the theory, a little part of the theory, then more part of the practical, so help to improve the nation.
Beautiful. So this festival happening here in Ashanti region, right? We think we should spread it throughout the country.
Yes, please.
But why would the minister start with Ashanti region? Is there anything you guys are special or what?
Well, for that, I can't say we are special. It's going to be a source of discrimination. And also, I can say because he's the regional minister and from Ashanti region, there are a lot of things here that other regions do know about. But should I say, there are more talents in Ashanti region than the others.
You
And
think so?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so.
I think our viewers will know. We will debate on that on our comment section. So if you think Ashanti region is more special, you can let us know your view on the comment section.
So me saying that, I think he did it here because Ashanti region, we have a lot of natural resources, and then also the schools in Ashanti region, I can say per my observation that the schools here are more than the other regions.
What about Central region? Have you been to Central region before?
Yeah, I've been there too. But comparing that in here, you see, he also made a statement that he completed Osei too. So I think he being the regional minister of Ashanti region and his alma mater is in Ashanti, or state association Ashanti region. So I think that's the reason why he decided to start from here, so that he can make he's a product of Ashanti region. So he start from here before he goes other region.
Nice one. So I think we're almost done. But what did you do? You in particular, what did you do today?
Oh well, I joined my LG people in dancing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, cultural
You
display.
dance?
Yeah, I
Can you
dance.
give me some little vibe? Let me see, little vibe, just a little vibe.
Little bit.
Yeah, a little vibe. Let's just play the music or the sound in your head.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. Never. Okay. Never. 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 Oh, Charlie, you are so good. You are so
Yeah.
good. Thank you for doing this with us. I really appreciate it. All right.